Occasionally, when you hit the DirectCut button to send your file to an Allen Datagraph cutter, you end up with an error popping up that says the reference object no longer exists. The most common cause of this issue is an empty text object. So what we're going to do is show how to find those objects, how to delete them, and how to fix the issue. So what I'm going to do to investigate what the problem is I'm going to go to the object stalker and see if there's anything in there that looks weird. Sometimes you'll have objects that are locked, that can mess things up. Sometimes you'll have bitmaps thinking that you're exporting vectors, that could mess things up. But in this case, the most common cause is empty text groups. So as I scroll down, you'll notice there are two text objects here that have no text in them. And if I click on the objects, I can try to resize them, but that doesn't work. If I switch over to the text tool, I can actually type the text back in. It's no longer empty, but it's these empty text objects that are the problem because they shouldn't exist to begin with. I'm not sure how they exist. If you can figure that one out, please let me know. The easiest way to get rid of them is to just simply find them in the object stalker or convert them to curves, and then they'll disappear. So what we'll do is we'll convert them to curves. We're going to double click to select all. Because there are grouped objects, we're going to ungroup all objects. And now we'll have access to selecting just the text. So we'll say edit, select all text. And then pay attention to this empty one here. When I go up to object and say convert to curves or hit Control Q, that empty one's going to disappear. This one I will also delete because we didn't need it. But now that empty text is gone, it's converted everything to curves, and now we can send it to the cutter.